Welcome to the second session on FundReveal Tools Navigation. I am Allie Wellington. FundReveal tools are useful for mutual fund portfolio construction and management. Today, I will show you how to navigate through the FundReveal Fund Finder tool. It is useful when you want to search for other suitable funds that may not be in your repertoire. It finds funds from our entire database of 36,000 plus mutual fund symbols that fit your search criteria. It also lets you search suitable indices and sectors. It's simple and takes less than 5 minutes. Our subscribers use the tool as an automated analyst to help them find new funds or observe the risk-return trends in indices or sectors. It helps you optimize client portfolios based on correct application of proven MPT and efficient frontier methods developed by Nobel laureates. The sign-in button is at the top right of the home page. After signing in, I will see the Advisors tool page. Here, I will select the Fund Finder tool. In step 2, I have 4 choices. I can choose Search Funds Standard Report, Search Funds Custom Report, Search Indices, and Search by Mutual Fund Sectors or Styles. The Standard Report is generally sufficient for my investment decisions. It uses a measurement period of cumulative rolling 1 year. That covers the most recent risk-return behavior of funds, yet also has a sufficient number of days to be statistically meaningful. It also compares fund behavior with the S&P 500. This index is commonly used in the industry. It also gives me absolute values of risk and returns for fine-tuning my fund selections. I will select Search Funds Standard Report. I am now ready to go to the next step, 3. This table shows the S&P 500 values of return, risk, and WCR, that is worst case return, for cumulative 1 year. Now, I must select the limits of risk-return behavior of funds to search. I can use any 2 measures of absolute return, risk, and WCR as criteria, or use specific ratings relative to S&P 500. I will use absolute return and risk as criteria. I want return greater than the value of S&P 500 shown in the table, and I want risk less than the value of S&P 500. If I want to use risk-return ratings of funds to search, I can choose one out of several criteria. I will use both ratings A and B. I also have the option of choosing load or no load funds. I will skip this option for now. I have completed the input section and am now ready to see the standard search report. Notice that this report requires only 4 steps. For more customized search criteria, I could have used the custom search report instead. To customize search criteria, let's go to step 2 and select Search Funds Custom Report. Now I'm ready to go to step 3. Here, I can select multiple cumulative years, or a specific rolling quarter, or a calendar year, or a calendar quarter. I will choose cumulative 3 years. Next, I will select a market index for analysis, say S&P 500. The table on the right shows the return, risk, and WCR S&P 500 values for cumulative 3 years. Now, I must choose the limits of risk-return behavior of funds to search. I can use any 2 measures of absolute return, risk, and WCR as criteria, or I can use specific ratings relative to S&P 500. I will use absolute return and risk. I want return greater than the value of S&P 500. And I want risk less than the value of S&P 500. If I want to use risk-return ratings of funds to search, I can use one out of several criteria. I will choose both ratings A and B. I can also limit my search within specific range of UMER, that is upmarket excess return, or DMER, that is downmarket excess return. I will skip these options for now. I can also specify ranges for persistence ratings for PRA, PRB, PRC, and PRD. Please refer to Know-How on the FundReveal homepage for details on persistence ratings. Now I'm ready to go to step 4. Here, I have further options to restrict my search. I can search for load or no load funds, closed or open-end funds, fund share classes, either individual investor classes or specific fund share classes fund families. By the way, the navigation ribbon on the top of the page shows you what step you are on. I have completed the input section and am now ready to see the FundReveal report. The report will show me the funds that fit my criteria and analyze their risk-return behavior over the chosen time period. But I won't select the See Report tab right now. I'll do that in a future session. When you are ready to use FundReveal or have more questions, please call toll-free 888-308-5857. Or better yet, send an email to support@fundreveal-advisor.com. Thank you for your time.